I have a Samsung dryer and it keeps blowing the thermal fuse. I have replaced the element, thermal fuse, and thermostat last year. Now everything including the thermistor tests good except the thermal fuse. Vents and airways are free from obstructions. What else could my problem be? Control board.
Do you know the model of your Samsung dryer?
DV337 Air/SA.
How long has this been going on with your Samsung dryer? What have you tried so far?
I replaced a bad element and thermostat last summer. It has worked fine until recently. Now I'm blowing thermal fuses after a few minutes of drying. I have replaced the thermal fuse twice. That is the only thing I'm testing that comes back bad.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, my name is would be happy to help you.
Thanks.
Does the element cycle off?
No. I don't understand the question. The element tests fine.
Sorry, that's the site trying to call you, not me, just ignore it.
Okay.
Have you watched the element to see if it cycles off?
Will it do that with the thermal fuse blown?
You will need to bypass it. It sounds like the heater relay is faulty on the control board, meaning the control board is faulty, unfortunately.
That was my next purchase, but wanted to run it by someone else before buying.
That is the only other thing that would cause this, unfortunately.
Thanks, I'll try that.
You are welcome. I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is You Have a Great Day. Please don't forget to rate me. Please give me a good rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.